Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset your Amazon Echo Show 10. The Amazon Echo Show 10 is the device with the rotating base. So in order to factory reset your Amazon Echo Show 10, you're going to click up here in the top, and then you're going to pull down, and that pulls down this menu. So once you're here, you're going to click on Settings, and that's going to take you to another Settings menu. From here, we're going to scroll down again, and we're going to keep scrolling until we find device options, which is right here. So we're going to click on that now. Here, we've got a whole bunch of different device options, but we're going to keep scrolling here until we find that reset button. So keep scrolling, and you can see what software we have. And here it says reset to factory defaults. So we're going to click on this. It says reset to factory defaults, but retain a smart home device connection. So if you've got smart home devices, let's say like a smart light switch or something that you want to have connected to this, you could do that. But we're going to reset this to factory defaults. For instance, if we were giving this away, or maybe we moved into a new home with new smart home devices and we want to get this all set up on a new network and with a new account. So we're going to click reset to factory defaults here, and that will reset our Echo Show 10 to factory default settings. It says your device will be deregistered from your Amazon account, and all of your directly connected smart home devices will need to be reset. After deregistering, you can register the device to another Amazon account. Are you sure you want to deregister? We're going to click reset right here, and that's going to take all of our personal information off this device, and it's going to reset the device completely. So I'm going to click reset one more time here, and it should go through the reset process. So once you click that reset button, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the device to completely reset. So it'll turn off. Sometimes it seems like it's not doing anything. You can always go ahead and click that button again. But after about 10 or 15 seconds, it will go into that reset mode where it powers off, powers back on, and then it's going to be able to be reset just like it came out of the box. And you can set it up so if you were gifting this to someone or giving it to someone else, you could then do that because you wouldn't have any information on it, and it would set up just like you got it from Amazon. So let's give it a few more moments while it completes the factory reset process for our Echo Show 10. And then once we get it back to a screen where we could set it back up, you could set it up from there, or you could watch the other video we have that shows you how to set up your Echo Show 10. So check down in the description below for that. Here's the screen that pops up when the reset is complete. It took about 2 to 4 minutes for that reset to complete, where it was showing that Amazon logo and then this popped up. So this is what pops up when it's ready to get set back up, and none of your personal information is on this device anymore because we have factory reset our Echo Show 10. So it's just like it comes from the factory and would be ready to set up with your own Amazon account and username, password, and Wi-Fi network. So if you want to learn how to set this up, go ahead and check the description below that shows you a video of how to set up your Echo Show 10, and that's going to give you everything that you need to know. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Amazon Echo Show 10. It's appreciated. Please give us that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.